just relax. You're exactly where you are supposed to be. But stay awake, the signs are all around for you to see. You could make each moment count, but first let go of what you think you know. Words are meaningless in times like these. They point the way, but they can't make you see. There's nothing else that you're supposed to be but who you are. Look around, you're part of everything you touch.